Tired of dealing with annoying flies, fruit flies, and gnats in your home? The Zevo Flying Insect Trap is your ultimate solution. Don't wait. Check out the link in the video description now to get your Zevo Flying Insect Trap on Amazon and enjoy a bug-free home today.
Katie Price has left her home ahead of a day in court, hours after she was arrested at Heathrow Airport as she returned to the UK. The ex-glamour model, 46, was seen with a head bandage ahead of her appearance at the High Court later today. It comes after Price was arrested moments after landing back in the UK last night following a trip to Turkey. Footage shows the mum of five being escorted into a police van after disembarking a British Airways flight at around 7:45 p.m. She had been remanded in custody ahead of her court appearance today, but was subsequently granted bail in the middle of the night by an out-of-hours magistrate. Our channel understands she was released on medical grounds after undergoing her sixth facelift just days ago in Turkey. Now Price has been seen leaving her home ahead of an appearance at the High Court this afternoon. She is expected to answer bail in person this afternoon, before being allowed to attend her bankruptcy proceedings remotely from a nearby building. It comes after a High Court judge issued a warrant for her arrest when she failed to appear at court last Tuesday. Price flew from the UK to Turkey hours before she had been due to appear in court as part of the £760,000 bankruptcy battle. She then underwent £10,000 worth of surgery on her eyes and under her chin in Istanbul after her usual surgeon refused to carry out the work for her. Despite the warrant for her arrest, she was seen enjoying her holiday as she soaked up sun at a five-star hotel in Istanbul. It comes as a source previously revealed Katie extended her trip over fears she would be arrested with staples in her face following the surgery. They told our channel, Katie's actually extending her holiday and plans to stay in Turkey longer. She's worried she'll be arrested at the airport when she lands back in the UK and will have to go to jail before the metal staples are taken out of her face. She's really worried she'll be arrested in front of Harvey, and that would upset her. She's better off hiding out in Turkey and recovering there. It comes after a Met spokesman last night said, a 46-year-old woman from Surrey was arrested at Heathrow Airport at 19:45 HRS on Thursday, August 8, for failing to appear at court. She has been remanded in custody at a West London police station to appear at the Royal Courts of Justice tomorrow, Friday, August 9. Price herself said she was aware she would be arrested upon her return to the UK from holiday. In a statement begging for son Harvey's protection, she said, I am aware that I am about to be detained at the airport, which is obviously what the courts feel is necessary. I do hope, of course, for my son's sake who is with me, that they will allow some dignity and protection for at least his sake. Price added, this will be extremely disturbing for him to see. Whilst I understand the importance and severity of the matter, I do feel like I am being treated like a criminal. Price was declared bankrupt in November 2019 and again in March this year. I would just like to thank everyone that has been showing support and compassion to my situation this week with my pending arrest. Despite what has been misreported, I am now en route back from filming my documentary. I was never just abroad being ignorant to what's going on, and I stand by the facts, which is that there has been miscommunications here between a number of people here to do with my bankruptcy. However, now I am returning home from work, and I am aware that I am about to be detained at the airport, which is obviously what the courts feel is necessary. I do hope, of course, for my son's sake who is with me, that they will allow some dignity and protection for at least his sake, as this will be extremely disturbing for him to see. Whilst I understand the importance and severity of the matter, I do feel like I am being treated like a criminal. I would like to point out once again that this is to do with a very unfortunate financial circumstance, which, as hard as it has been, does not make a criminal or a bad person. Millions of people suffer losses and go through bankruptcies, through many different reasons, and mine was due to serious mental health issues and breakdowns from PTSD. Whilst it's been hard, I repeatedly will stand by the fact I am not embarrassed or ashamed that this has happened to me. People lose their lives every day.